Your journey of onboarding an IO key to your Moneo cloud will begin after the purchase of an AIK050 IO key and a data plan. Launch any web browser and type in suite.miot.ifm to get started. If you are a new user, you will need to sign up for the mobile IoT Suite account first. The required fields for creating an account are the license activation code, a valid email address, and a phone number. Once registered, a prompt will pop up confirming your request has been received, and you will be receiving a confirmation email within 24 hours. If you already have an account, then please continue by signing in. Begin by navigating to the Gateways tile. Click on the orange Add Gateway button in the top left. Follow up by selecting Add IO Key Gateway. There are 3 steps to onboard an IO key. In the first step, enter a name for the IO key to register the device within the portal. Select the gateway type as AIK050. Select your country. Enter the IMEI of the IO key located on the top of the device. Next, select the cloud instance you want to onboard the IO key to. If you don't have a Moneo instance, click the Register Instance button here. Finally, enter your data plan, LAC, and check the Consent to Terms and Conditions box. Click on the orange check button. The portal is now verifying if you have a valid LAC for the IO key. If you do, then a pop-up will appear describing the contents of the LAC. Now click on the orange Add button. Congratulations! Your IO key is now being provisioned to onboard onto your selected Moneo cloud instance. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.